Today's story is about two best friends, Sofia and Emma, who've shared years of memories, even as life takes them in different directions. As you listen, pay attention to the phrasal verbs that describe how their friendship grows and stays strong. This is always there for each other.
Emma and I have been friends since middle school. A school project first brought us together, and we've been close ever since. We hit it off right away. We laughed at the same things, loved the same music, and could talk for hours. When things got hard, I knew I could confide in Emma. She would just listen, never judge, and somehow always cheer me up. And when she was going through something tough, I'd try to be there for her too, to make her feel better when she felt down. We didn't always agree on everything, of course. There were times when we fell out over something silly, but we always made up, because we both knew our friendship was worth more than any argument. After high school, we drifted apart a little. She went to a university across the country while I stayed here. We didn't keep up with each other as much as we used to, and sometimes months would go by without a call. But whenever we finally caught up, it felt like no time had passed at all. We'd look back on our old memories and laugh about all the crazy things we used to do. It's funny how real friendships don't fade. They just continue as if nothing ever changed. Now that we're adults, life gets busier. We both have jobs, new friends, new routines. But we still reach out to each other every once in a while. Just a quick text to see how the other person's doing. Last year, when I was struggling with work, she suddenly showed up at my apartment with my favorite snacks and said, "Let's talk it out." That's Emma. Always thoughtful. Always knowing when I need someone to lean on. I guess that's what true friendship is about. People who stick together through thick and thin, who support each other, and never let go of the friendship that started it all. We may not talk every day, but I know she'll always stand by me, and I'll always do the same for her. Because no matter how much time passes, real friends are the ones who never really go away. They just stay with you in the quiet ways that matter most.
Now, let's take a closer look at the phrasal verbs from Sofia and Emma's story. Bring together. To cause people to meet and start a friendship, relationship, or professional collaboration. Hit it off. To quickly become friendly with someone, to get along immediately. Confide in someone. To trust someone with your secrets, feelings, or problems. Cheer up someone. To make someone feel happier. Go through something. To experience something difficult or challenging. Fall out. To have an argument or disagreement. Make out after a fight. To stop arguing and become friends again. Drift apart. To slowly lose closeness in a relationship. Keep up with someone. To stay in regular contact. Catch up with someone. To update each other about your lives after not seeing each other for a while. Look back on something. To remember and think about past experiences. reach out to someone. To contact someone, to talk or offer support. Show up. To appear or arrive when someone needs you. Talk something out. To discuss a problem to find a solution. Lean on someone. To depend on someone for emotional support or help. Stick together. To stay close and support each other no matter what. Stand by someone. To support someone especially during difficult times. Go away. To leave or move away from someone or something.
Thanks for watching this episode of the English Phrasal Verbs series.